Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add new API key on Coinbase. In order to do this, you first have to launch your web browser and in the search bar, you will have to search for coinbase.com. Once you are on the official website of Coinbase, you will have to hover over to the top right hand corner and you will have to click on sign in. Then you just have to provide your email address and your password and you simply need to log in into your account. Now once you have successfully logged in, you need to hover over to the top right hand corner where you will be able to see your profile icon. So you need to click on your profile icon, and then in order to create an API key unique to your exchange account, you need to select the profile menu in the top right hand corner of the exchange dashboard. After that, in the top you will be able to see the API menu, so you will have to tap API option from the menu. Then under the information section, you need to select API settings tab and select plus API key. Then you need to select your profile and appropriate permissions, create a passphrase, and then enter in your two-step verification code. Finally, you need to select create API key option at the bottom to make a unique key. The new API key and secret will be displayed on the API settings page. Please note that the API secret will only be shown once, so remember to record your secret in a secure location. If you lose your API secret, we will not be able to retrieve it. So with the help of following these steps, you will be able to easily create a new API key or change the existing one. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.